This is a Craftshaw tool roll made in Japan from Canvas. I put the link in the description if you want to buy one. I got a aluminum fid for working on knots, a GSI Krios micro chisel, which you can get different tips for, Edding mini marker, and then a craft tool 0048. It's a drift with a spherical relief in the end. This is a modified PB Swiss center punch. I turned it into sort of a pin punch because I messed up the tip. Here's a little center punch. This is a it's a Starrett. This is another center punch. This is a Drew & Co. Starrett. And a Craftsman USA 937552.